Welcome to the Transmission Line Relief Simulator. With this simulator, users have to increase the load, and note the change in loading of the generating units with 5% speed droop setting. They also have to note the change in frequency, and the change on the line's loading. As a result of these actions, users will have to redispatch to remove overloads on lines and/or generators, and also reconfigure the grid system to bring the load on this grid system to a minimum of 4,000 megawatts. This on the next simulator level. There are 5 zones. Each zone is equipped with units. Zone A 12 units, B, C, and D 8 units, E 4 units. There are lines interconnecting the zones. The megawatts flow is shown on the lines. There are units in yellow. They are on AGC control. For the units in white, the users can dispatch them using wheels. The user can also dispatch the load up and down, using a wheel, and check the loading of the units. Boxes for the operation of the AGC will appear each time there will be a frequency deviation of plus or minus 0.1 Hz. Check the output of the units when the load increases. All units have their speed droop set at 5%. Users will have to press on one of these boxes, so the AGC will send signal to the units that are under its control. This will correct the frequency close to 60 Hz. AGC corrects the frequency. Check the output of the units. To know more about the speed droop and AGC actions, please refer to the speed droop and AGC simulator. We can see that the load has been increased again. Oops! Now there is an overload. Each time there will be overloads, users will have to remove the overload by redispatching, or by reconfiguring the grid system. Redispatch was done. Overload disappeared. Here is an overview of another simulator level. With this simulator, users will have to increase the load up to 4,000 megawatts. Each time the AGC signal will appear, users will have to press on it to correct the frequency. Each time there will be overloads on line or generators, the users will have to redispatch, or to reconfigure the grid to remove the overload. 4,000 megawatts, without overload, and the frequency at 60 Hz, is the passing mark. Expert will be able to get the loading at 41,100 megawatts, without overloads, and the frequency at 60 Hz. Ultra operators will be able to bring the load at 4110 megawatts, without overloads, and the frequency at 60 Hz. We hope you enjoyed this presentation. There are several simulators levels. Challenges are there. Are you able to face the challenges up to the last level?